Guys, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Hold on a sec. What's up? Thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Be sure to be subscribed so that way you can join the family and see all the new uploads that we have coming directly straight to you. And make sure you hit that bell because, you know, YouTube be playing around so you don't want to miss anything. So in today's video, we're going to go through my top 5 world's best dead or alive mascaras. Okay? So if you want to see what those are, just keep on watching. Okay, so I have 5 different mascaras that I want to bring to you today that I think are bomb.com. And I even bought brand new ones so you can see them out the package. Now, 4 of them are from L'Oreal and 1 from Maybelline. So I'm going to do the one that I have open already, and this is the Voluminous Waterproof. And I have this one actually on my lashes now. I literally love this applicator. It is like your classic applicator, nothing special, but I don't know, something about it, the fact that when I put it in, no matter how many times you put it through the thing, it doesn't get clumped. It's so evenly spread out, and that affects the way my lashes are. Like, they're just so evenly spread out. Like, let me just show you. And it's so buildable. Like, I really do love this mascara. The applicator is so nice. It's really sleek and thin. Oop, almost dropped it. And this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Waterproof Mascara. Really, really love this. The packaging is super simple, not as bulky as the others that I have to show you. Nothing super fancy. I mean, some people, like I am a sucker for packaging as well, but this one I think I actually got from an influencer box by accident. Just like another, I think it was Maybelline that I got, which I was in love with too, but now I have new tried and trues. And this one right here is definitely, if you're going for an everyday look, I definitely would think that this is something that you can grab. Like, you're not doing the super cat eye, the super bold, but it's still giving you, like, I feel like when it comes to lashes, they don't really show up on camera, and this will help you do that. It'll help you do just that. Every time I look at my lashes, I love them so much, and I just want to keep putting more on, and no matter how many times, I'm not getting clumped. I'm not getting that overly done, like, 20 layers of mascara. I'm not getting that. It just still looks thin, nice, and flawless, smooth, no issues here. Really, really love this. If you're new to makeup, this is a thing. I think that even if you aren't new to makeup, this is something that everyone should have in their collection. This is definitely like a heavy hitter. And I feel like I don't really hear too much about this one, but definitely underrated, I would say. Very nice, because the other ones that I'm going to show you are really well known. Everybody love them. But this one is really, really great for your everyday makeup girl, even for the girl that's going for the no makeup look. Definitely good. This is definitely something that you should add to your collection. Next, I have 3 heavy hitters that I'm sure you all have heard about. And they're all from L'Oreal. So first we have here the Voluminous Million Lashes. Bang! And then we have the Voluminous Million Lash Excess. Bang, bang! Then I have the Voluminous Lash Paradise. Now this here, people say is a dupe for the Better Than Sex, which I do agree. The applicator is the same. The look is the same. It's just an affordable price. I'm going to take this out of the container just so you can see. Hold up a minute. Hold up. They don't love you like I love you. My braids are acting up. One just always wants to hang down. It just doesn't want to do what I want. I think the only thing different, I would say that the other one does feel a little bit heavier. This applicator is very similar to the swivel of the Better Than Sex, and they apply pretty similar. I already have this on my the other one on my lashes, but the same technique where you're not getting that clumping feeling you get with this. I really do like this. It separates the lashes. The only thing that I don't like compared to this one, which is why this one is my #1, the brush does seem to get really messy, where the other one, it was such a clean application. This one does get a little bit messy, and there's like, which can potentially probably lead to more clumping down the road, but this right here will give you very nice application, and your lashes will look really, really full. And that's the one thing that I do enjoy about this mascara from using it from time to time. I definitely would say that I'm not reaching for her as much as I'm reaching for my other ones, but this is really pretty, really nice. And sometimes when you want to switch it up, because I do like to make sure that I'm rotating some of my products, and this I do recommend that you do have in your, I think you should have all 5 of them, but if you're saying I have to pick one, definitely you need to have this in your kit along with one of these other ones, because they're definitely going to give you that better, bigger, broader bam. This one is really cute. You could actually, if you wanted to, if you decided, okay, I really wasn't going for this, you don't need to have both of these in your kit. I think that one of them will suffice and you will be happy. So these two, I would say, though they're not the same in application, you will get, I think, a little bit more va-va-voom with this one compared to this one. Again, this is for your everyday, but you really don't need to have both of these, I think. So then, if you are looking for that va-va-voom, I think these next 3, which would be my Maybelline Colossal Big Shot collaboration with Makeup Shayla, and then the other 2, the Million Lashes. So now, the Million Lashes is gonna give you that bam, bam, thank you, ma'am. Like this is just colossal. This is just crazy. The applicator, I love how sleek, not sleek, but like, you'll see. It's just the brushes are not clumped. That's a big thing for me. They're not clumped. They're really thick. This is a really thick applicator, but then it's like kind of tapered, so you can get those little baby hairs at the bottom, and you won't feel like this brush is just doing too much. I really, really, really love this one. And I really love it for like the nights that I'm going out, somebody's birthday. Like, this is a wham bam thank you, thank you, thank you, man. So if you haven't tried this Voluminous Million Lash, definitely. So now, again, everyday girl, I'm trying to stunt. Every day, on fleek, okay? And the applicator is, like, some people might think that, like, because how thick it is, it's complicated, but for me, I actually enjoy that these are not like the regular normal bristles. They're like kind of like rubber bristles, and I really enjoy that because they stay where they are. They don't clump together, they don't move together, they just stay there, and then it helps to expand my lashes, which I love. So this one is part of that wham bam thank you ma'am. Now if va-va-voom wasn't enough for you and you're like, sis, I'm trying to do it so big that I'm enormous, and you're kind of you're meshing these two together. To me, that's what this is, because this gives you that shape of the Better Than Sex, and it gives you that beautiful extension with, well, it's not really, I don't feel like that one really like gives me so much boom boom bang as this one does, but then with this together you get that, oh my gosh. So if you don't need both of these, just get this one and you'll get that same effect, because this is giving you the Million Lashes with that. I don't know whether it's something about the applicator or not, but because of this applicator shape, I just find that it gets into everything. Like, you're able to move around and just do your thing with this, and I don't know, it just really does its thing. It's very like flexible. I mean, the applicator doesn't do that, but it's very flexible. But if you want to see what we're looking like, very similar to our Better Than Sex, very similar to our the shape of our Lash Paradise in that wavy texture. And I don't know what it is about that wavy texture, but it's just really something nice that really helps get everything, even the little lashes you didn't know that was growing in. So I really like this one. The only thing is that this applicator that I just got, it's a little jacked, but, and it, like, you see, I don't know what it is about the rubber ones, but I really do love them, because I just feel like, unlike the ones with like the real bristles brush hairs, I just feel like these get so clumpy. I mean, I can't even say that enough. And this is just such a clean sweep. Oh my gosh, it's so clean. You're getting like a precise amount every single time, and you're gonna be way too popping for this in this one. Like, this is like, I'm trying to stunt Like, I don't know how to explain it, but I love this one. This is definitely, between this one and the Colossal, these two are like my wham bam, bam bam bam, thank you, thank you, thank you. Actually, not thank you. Sorry, not sorry, ma'am. These two, they're just amazing. We have the Big Shot. Aha! Maybelline. If I can get her out the box. She's such a big shot, she don't want to even come out. She don't even come out for the public. Now, they have a regular Big Shot, but from what I understand, Makeup by Shayla made other colors. I did want to buy the purple one because I saw Jackie actually do that one with an eye look, and it looked amazing. But now, this definitely contradicts everything I've said about the applicators, because this one definitely has that traditional applicator bristle, but it gives me the shape. But the shape isn't as similar to the other ones that mirror the Better Than Sex. Definitely say this is more of a tapered shape, but when the shapes are just like the regular thick mascaras, I feel like, I mean, you can still do it, people have been doing it for years, but when they give you that unique shape, you just get, I don't know how to explain it. And just, so the other ones, you kind of feel that like pull when you clean sweep this. This is really, really seamless, like really nice. You do get a little bit of the mess on the top, but I usually just clean it off on the corner here. And you're gonna get bomb lashes, Baham lashes. So if you want bomb lashes, like you want them to be seen, heard, and heard around the world, this is a Big Shot, heard around the world. These two, definitely your go-tos are these two bad boys. A lot of my friends use these as well. Most of them really are tried and true for this one, but I definitely think that these two brands are very comparable. They're both amazing, and you can get away with either one of these for that ultimate va-va-voom. If you like one look, you put on makeup to look bam, then you need to go with these two. Now, if you're just like somebody who casually wears makeup, definitely this is my third choice here, the Voluminous Waterproof. And then I would give it to the Voluminous Lash, and then lastly the Lash Paradise. Now again, these are top 5 dead or alive. They're all amazing. So it's more so, do I need to spend all the money? Which one do I think will be the best for me? And my hair's coming out again. Alrighty. Which one do I think will work best for me? But these 5, dead or alive, you're gonna still look popping. So these are the ones that I recommend for you guys, and I hope that you go out and try them. Leave me a comment below and let me know which one is your favorite, what you've tried, your experiences with mascaras that you used in the past. Do you use lashes with them? And what are your favorites? Are they these? Are they not? Are there another brand? I definitely think that there are tons and tons of brands that you can come up with. So leave me a comment below and let me know what works for you guys, and I'm gonna be able to try them out, and I think that's great. This is a community here. We can share. So if you guys really like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, make sure you are subscribed. We're trying to build a family here, and I'm having fun doing it, and I want you to come on. I'm having so much fun doing this. Week after week, I'm able to put up a video. I'm hoping and praying to be consistent, so please pray for me. And you know I'm praying for you. And if you need an extra prayer, look at that description box, because I promise you, I got something for you. And yeah, so if you love this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Look, hey yo, I open my eyes, the sunrise, right atop my cranium. Stress weight the body like uranium. What's the verbatim? Every day like deja vu. Only fear is I start to get comfortable, not wanna be typical. Climb my way to the pinnacle, while I'm alive in my physical, yo. And money soon be the ritual.